Well, if I talk of me, but Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know how I really a go on. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers, and we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase, and yes, we are bringing on another new and exciting reason on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, was a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, tell them again, Gaza Nation, and not just the tabloids alone make star. Viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel is definitely making dancehall a family business. UTG are doing extremely well, and right now Slimatic, viewers and subscribers, did her first major tabloid interview since her video garnered over 1 million views online, viewers and subscribers. And as I say, family business, the artist is also the cousin of dancehall mega superstar Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers, and she said her song titled Makes No Sense has put her in a good position to advance her career this year, meaning some more tracks are definitely on the way. One dancehall artist must say find the diamonds in the rough and get the jeweler, yes, get the jeweler to polish them and make them shine like stars, and then take them and put them out there to the public so them can see and say yes, talent is still here, right here on the island. We not have a search for. What one is that people now take the time to give a break to the younger artists. Vybz Kartel are the only artists, and just because she and family, I see him do it for other artists who are not members of him family. Well, not, you know, it's not blood relatives, but I don't think one nation, one family. So of course, definitely a good look for CR accomplish this. She said, I will be bombarding the dancehall scene with more new songs. She said Makes No Sense is featured on Vybz Kartel's chart-topping album to Tanisha, so she knows what it is like to be featured on the Billboard. That, man, imagine that as a young artist, you know, that's a confidence builder. That boosts the confidence. Remember, if I get the feature from the teacher, you know, say, alright, dancehall, I gonna know who I am. The fact that it was featured on a chart-topping album that was featured on the Billboard, then that is definitely something where I say, alright, we're going to circle the studio. We're going to put out more music. And Mama said that is exactly what she is going to do. Vybz Kartel and I did a song titled Man Straight. And however, this particular song is very relatable. And the fact that it was added to his album is what makes it really special. She said, pointing out that she's looking forward to performing the track on stage and seeing the reaction from the fans. She said, I'm very overwhelmed by the feedback I've been receiving, and I know whenever I perform it, the feedback will be good, she added. Meanwhile, commenting on his decision to collaborate with Slimatic and the Makes No Sense, Vybz Kartel himself and producers of the album said it was definitely a good look, a good vibe for have a young artist featured. And anytime you see an artist get the opportunity, viewers and subscribers, to give back in this way, it is always a special moment to them themselves. Remember, you put yourself in that frame of mind, being a superstar, already accomplished certain things that young artists would like to accomplish, and then to help them and see the excitement and the reaction on their faces, or you know how them celebrate the news, definitely make it give you a nostalgic vibe, reminding you of what it was like for you as well, and the fact that you are there now but can help another young artist to achieve success. Definitely feel good within itself. You know, anything we are doing, they are show somebody, where they are teach a child or somebody we know something, and yes, them gravitate with a master. It is always a good feeling knowing that you help them along their journey. Should definitely have a place in a dancehall music right now, viewers and subscribers. The song titled Makes No Sense, definitely a track where the people I'm relate to. You know what I mean? The whole album was definitely a relatable album. So the fact that she had a feature with a relatable track on it, You know what I mean? Dancehall, definitely look out for your Slimatic viewers and subscribers. Yes! You ready for dancehall music? First major tabloid interview. Tell me what was your thoughts on the track? And of her in particular. Do you think she has what it takes? Me, personally, my opinion, of course. One thing I know about Vybz Kartel. Any artist when I see him tell me, say, yo, watch, you know, listen to the artist. When them do it by a feature, or just by a co-sign, I say, yo, we respond to the artist and then put out a single. There's always something about that artist in particular, because Vybz Kartel is not only an artist, he's a songwriter and also a producer as well. So him look for some different things where a regular fan of the music probably would not pre. Because remember, diamonds in the rough, they don't really know it. Even in music right now, you have artists or aspiring artists who have been to a studio and have recorded a song. But certain things about cadence and projection of voice, you have to learn that over time, doing music for a number of years. So some producers and some artists, even though your song might sound rough, they might can hear certain particular things. They must say, yes, you have a certain talent. Whether it's the way you articulate, pronounce, enunciate, or just the flow pattern, the way you mix and match words and then make it make sense. Title track for this one is make no sense. Yes, but that is how certain producers and songwriters, label owners can say. And Vybz Kartel is a particular artist, and we noticed that about. It was different for Bounty Killer. Bounty Killer though had the same vision where him could have see other artists, and even if it wasn't the type of music where him do, him knows I dance all a space for this, and him would open the doors for other artists so them can get that exposure. And Vybz Kartel has done that too as well, showing dancehall that we can do it differently. It's not just about diversity. We are talking about creativity and the freedom for artists to create. Not being limited by, oh, the rhythm sound dancehall, or the rhythm sound too much like a hip-hop rhythm, or the flow too much like a hip-hop flow. No, it is creativity. And whether you're inspired by, you drop the flow there. And for many big world hits, I can tell you this, they are fusion tracks. Them fused with some other style of music, whether you hear it or not. And you can list any one of your favorite worldwide hits right now, and we can show you the influence of a different genre in it. Whether it's in the artist himself, when I wear him say, the style of how him say it, or even the beat itself. So fusion is the way. Fusion has always been the way. When Bob Marley just say one love is a reason why part of the song was in patois and part of the song in a somewhat of a standard English. It was that fusion of style, so that different classes and races and countries could have gravitated to the song. Fusion at its finest. Talk no man, talk to me in the comment section. Slimatic, you do it, mama. I'm excited for you, and the fact that you are excited about music, I love that. I like to see artists who, it's not about what you do it for. Some people say, oh, yo, some artists are doing it for the money, some are doing it for the like. No, it's not about what you're doing it for. Because whatever creates passion or drives your passion, and that drive your passion. But express it in the music. Get excited about the music. Have some form of passion feed. So when you put out music, I can hear it. So they are sing a love song, a song about the flaws, and a song about the lifestyle we all live now. Just put the feeling, the emotion, and the passion in it. And that's what the fans are look forward to. And I can there so right now and list a number of artists right now where dominate the space. And the emotion, the raw emotion and the passion from Vybz Kartel to any other artist. Artists who put out music that lack passion and emotion are not really received well by the audience. So the fact that mama right now excited about the music, she even want to go perform the song, she not perform it yet. As soon as we see our first performance, we are going to know. But mama, go and do it. Stay focused, go and put in the work, visit the studio, record the tracks. And as mama said, fusion is the way, you know that. So never be boxed in. Do what you have to do, put out the work. Definitely a good look, exciting moment in the dancehall music. Another star on the rise. Bye to the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason and of course you like the point of view, well, I am suggesting that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right just up on the platform. The like icon there as well for my life we drop a like on the vlog. In truth, you know there's something about the share icon there too as well. You can tell a friend for tell a friend. For tell them sister and them brother them. For check out the channel and check out the reasoning. You know the something with the like icon. Remember, drop the like. The comment section open 24/7. It never lock yet, no matter when you see the blog. Drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, we can continue reasoning via the comment section. So talk to us there. Oh, move settings, fam. I will not need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours, of course, wanna live, love, and prosper until we reason again. Quick recap. Slimatic say our career is now on the right trajectory for stardom. Shall make our mark this year by God's blessing. You know the something go. Out move settings.